Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lemmel. I got a stock here called CWAN Clearwater Analytic Holdings. Pretty good pattern quality on the trend. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Okay, let me show you my thinking on this particular chart, and really do like the overall pattern quality on this. The base BMI on the inside the cup from about 12 bucks to 28 bucks. That's about 1.5 BMI, and the cycles unfolded pretty nicely. It took a while to get through that cup consolidation, but that's quite typical. A little bit over 2.2 years on the Cat 3 trend line. I like to see 1.5 years in the cup. A TY1 cycle went over that, but not by a whole lot. And moved off the floor pretty quickly there. You can see the high right here was a little bit over a year, actually about a year and a half. And we had a TM1 cycle on the pullback just above that $15 PPP psychological price point. So right now we're up in the PBC zone, the post breakout consolidation zone out of the cup, and we have again lead-in BMI is about 1 BMI, vector of 1. And we have a TD4 cycle in a pullback. You can see the price squeeze coming in here. You got a 1 to 3 day cycle here. You got a 5 to 7 day cycle here, and the squeeze is already there. Now, again, you're about the bar count right here is going to be we're getting in that 17 to 23 cycle. Yet we're still holding above the first cycle lows. And so far you get 3 bars holding above the second cycle lows. So pretty good chance that's going to hold. We're going to get a pop out of that. You know, we can always fill that gap in and test a little lower, but I think we got some pretty solid support there just underneath 30 bucks. And all we need to do is get out of that trend line to start heading back to that U pivot on that PBC zone. But overall pattern quality is great on it. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkunatradingclub.club/lingo. So just a little bit of a fair warning on these PBC zones. Sometimes the cycles can play out over about a 4 to 6 week period. So again, we have the approximately the 4 to 6 week cycle inside of this line. Now, the other cycle that can come into play is a TM1 cycle, which is about the 27 to 33 day cycle. So you could actually get a pop out of here, set another one probably about that angle, $33 area, maybe a little bit above that, and pull back inside of that before you get the final takeoff. But you know, it seems like that $30 price point approximately likes to hold support. So even if you get back up here, I think you would be testing back above that $30 price point on a pullback. But you know, overall this PBC zone is unfolding actually pretty nicely. Let's see the BMI within, that's about a 2-month area, about a 0.5 BMI. So again, pretty strong energy right there. We get potential for a real nice move above the left hand cup pivot. If you just go by the base BMI, again close to about 1.5, extrapolating that out would be 28 plus 28 plus half of 28, 14 plus 28, 42 plus 28 would be about 70 bucks potentially, which would make sense because you have the breakout of the PBC zone. A double off that would be right in that $70 area, and it likes to gun those you know, doubles and sometimes triples on it. But so far I really like the consolidation pullback on it. Again, this stock is CWAN Clearwater Analytics. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.